I've made many mistakes on the way of my litigation journey in matrimonial matters. And one of the biggest mistakes that I've done till a couple of years prior was immediately instituting divorce or filing restitution of conjugal rights or sending a legal notice to the spouse, thinking that these things will be a beneficial step, especially when done by the husband against the wife. And I've realized that there is, at least since the past few years, a far better way to start off things if a husband wants to get divorced from his wife. Because in any of these cases or legal notices, you have to throw out several facts, sometimes which might not be the most concretest of truths, and you have to mold a lot of things, because of which the opponent wife very often takes issue with just the fact that you instituted something. Now, if you don't mention those entirety of facts, then you are making a weak case, and then again it's a problem. What I've realized is instituting pre-litigation mediation, where you are not putting forth any allegations, you are inviting the other party to come to the table and discuss what is the possibility of a mutual peaceful way out. I used to think the kind of incentives that the Indian wife has to level false allegations and then get a large alimony amount should be fought with an equal vigor of availing of your own civil and criminal remedies, which is still the case, especially if the wife turns out to be very greedy and is demanding huge sums of money. But at the very least, in several of our cases, we just instituted pre-litigation mediation. The wife came upon several discussions and negotiations taking place in front of an official mediator of, we do Delhi High Court. In front of this, we've had so much of success, so many clients getting out of an undesirable situation in a marriage, getting their peaceful mutual divorce without getting into any of these atrocious allegations. And it has been something that now that I recommend as a mandatory step to every husband client before we jump into the pool of fighting it out and availing of our remedies.